Crypto market crashed by 20-30%, and is it time to buy? What coins better to buy right now? In this video, you're going to learn best areas, best prices to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of these coins that you can see on this list. Let's start. Before I start, I would like to share with you my thoughts and ideas that could happen with Bitcoin right now. Friends, before I start, push like, subscribe. That's the best thank you from your side to our channel, and you will get updates in the future about crypto. Yesterday in our Telegram channel, link in description, I published this post about my ideas what might happen with Bitcoin. And take a look what's going on. Bitcoin did beautiful crash, nearly the same as it happened in May, and take a look what was after that, this range, and after that reload and stop loss hunt. Nearly the same happened many times. After massive drop on Bitcoin, I would like to share with you a few examples. Take a look. I prepare for you all of these examples. Take a look on this first example. Do you see that here was nearly the same, massive drop, pull back, and after that again massive drop, and after that do you see this squeezing, and only after that trend line breakout and uprise from 45 to 61,000. Take a look on this example. This example looks nearly the same as it was right now. What happened? Bitcoin, do you see, after beautiful range breakout, massive drop, range, drop, again drop, and only after the trend line breakout. Because here, every person that bought Bitcoin here, do you see on this massive volume? Every person that bought here got liquidated here. At this moment, the most important question that most of you would ask me, Yuri, is it the same? Can you predict that it would be the same? Friends, I'm not a psychic, I don't predict, I trade, and I don't need to be right in 100% cases to make money. Because even here, take a look with our team, in August, since start of August until 5th of September, it was 6th of September, we made 788% of profit, with win rate only 42%. That's why I can make money even if I write in 50% cases, remember that. At this moment, this video is about best places, best prices that you can buy all these assets. And let's start. First one, it is a Bitcoin. What would be the best price to buy Bitcoin? From my point of view, if Bitcoin is going to repeat same history that it was in previous cycles, it would be beautiful if Bitcoin would do reload, at least hit 41,000. After that, there would be some range, again reload, and after that beautiful trend line breakout. That means nearly area 41,000, it would be really good to buy. Best, of course, it would be buy after trend line breakout. That's it. Could Bitcoin drop more, or could price rise without any additional reload? Honestly, that could happen, and if instead of reload, Bitcoin at this moment would make something like this, would start squeezing up, forget about any kind of reload. That's it. Let's go. Friends, I invite you to join our free Telegram, link in description. You will get the most important updates about crypto market. Even yesterday, take a look. Before that crash, I told to every people that drop might happen. Take a look, even this idea on TradingView, even this one, Bitcoin dominance. All that I did in our free Telegram. That's why join and get the notification directly into your cell phone. Let's go to the next one, Ethereum. Ethereum, do you see that history of Ethereum in February was nearly the same as the history of Bitcoin right now? Drop, they did a pullback, also range before, massive volume. What happened after that? Massive drop, take a look, biggest volume, and take a look after that, again massive drop, and after that additional drop to take stop losses of all people, and only after that trend line breakout, Ethereum started new uprise. Could there be the same on Ethereum? Honestly, it also could happen. And on Ethereum, what I see, we have really beautiful area, this volume value area, and if there would be reload, it would be really awesome to buy it. That's why at 3,000, it could be really good opportunity to buy Ethereum, especially after trend line breakout. The next one, my friend, Cardano. Cardano, I think that could be the same as Ethereum. Remember yesterday I told you about best area to buy Cardano nearly this key level. Honestly, if Cardano would drop to 149, it is the best price to buy it ever. At this moment, let me change my picture to this side. At this moment, I think, my friends, that if there would be nearly the same pattern as on Bitcoin, Ethereum, that could be also a good area to buy at 190, especially after trend line breakout. Friends, I prepare for you, many of you see that I share with you trend line breakouts, all of that stuff. I prepare to you a special playlist. You open our channel, and what you will find, breakout strategy, take a look, breakout strategy, and you will find trend line breakout strategy, 2 lessons with trend line breakout strategy. Watch, at least you will understand how to trade it. I also recommend you to watch this whole playlist because there are lessons about breakout strategy, about how to build important support resistance. It's really necessary, and how to make money when crypto is failing. It's also, you need to know it. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. The same. About Bitcoin Cash, I think important opportunity if that would be real low and key level 584 real low, that could be good opportunity. Binance coin, my friends. About Binance, honestly, Binance dropped quite a lot. I didn't expect 27% drop yesterday, and the same here. If that would be real low, that could be the best opportunity to buy trend line breakup. It could be at 360, 370 area. Ripple, at this moment, I like Ripple even more than other crypto. Because take a look, Ripple even didn't close daily, even 4-hour candle below this range. What I think about Ripple and current situation, my friends. Friends, before I continue, right, please, what coins are you planning to buy on spot, and what percent of portfolio are you planning to invest right now into your portfolio? Because do you know how I recommend to buy? I recommend to buy by parts, because, for example, if price did this real low, I would recommend to buy like 50% money that you're planning to put. The same here. If trend line breakout happens, it would be good price to buy it. It is nearly 90 cents in this area, 85, 94 cents. It could be good area to buy. Dogecoin, friends, about Dogecoin, Dogecoin looks weak, and from my point of view, Dogecoin best area to buy ever. It would be real low of this key level, 16 cents. Will it happen? I don't know, but I will set alerts and would wait for it. What could happen right now? If that would be beautiful real low trend line breakout, I would recommend you to trade that trend line breakout. At this moment, do you see that nearly on every coin I share with you the same strategy that we trade so much, because we traded that strategy in February, and I remember that strategy right now. The same chain link, take a look. If that would be real low trend line breakout, best opportunity. So Sol, my friends, completely different instrument, because during this drop they bought back nearly all Sol. Sol, at this moment, for me, difficult to make any forecast, because I see powerful buyer. All this drop bought back. That's why Sol is different. But still, if that would be real low of this key level, I would pay attention, because that also could be trend line breakup pattern. And the same Theta token, take a look. I remember when I traded with our VIP community, this local trend line breakout. That's example for you, by the way. That's nearly the best example for you how you can trade it. Take a look. In our VIP community, a few days ago, I sent a trade about Theta. Take a look. A few days ago, it was 1st September, trend line breakout pattern. And take a look how it played out after that. That's just example for you, my friends, that take a look. If that would be the same stuff on all crypto, this pattern, it would be the best to trade. My friends, tomorrow I will hold free workshop where I'll teach you these strategies, how to trade breakout strategy. breakdown and breakout. You will use it on bull market, bearish market, doesn't matter. I'll share with you the difference. Open our Telegram channel, or below this video you'll find a link and sign up. Only 500 seats available. 440 people already sign up. That means hurry up, because only 66 seats available. That's why. About Theta token, this trendline breakout could start beautiful movement. That chain, my friends, that chain also, if trendline breakout happens below this key level, it is 9 cents, could be good entry point. And Access Infinity, I do not recommend to buy this coin at this moment. Why? Because do you see that during this uprise, the biggest volume was here, and all this pump started without volume. Even yesterday in our VIP community, I wrote to our members, take a look here. Access, take a look. I finally see weakness in a price, and I told about trendline breakout. Yesterday I expected that there would be an additional range before breakout, but it happened right now. That's why about Access, I don't recommend to buy it, because I think there could be even bigger pullback after such big uprise, and there are nearly no volume at this moment. Friends, if this video is useful for you, push like, share it with your friends, and subscribe, because that's the best thank you for our channel, and YouTube will help us to grow when YouTube see your activity. Thank you.